always. I think my teeth.
2005, April 1st. Your first tooth is out. Let's see.
What?
Logan, get your basket. Get your basket.
I made one of my shoes!
Ew, stinky shoe.
It's gonna be a note that says Christmas isn't coming in January.